In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website seamlessly to Hostinger. Whether you're moving because you need better service or just a fresh start, this guide is here to make the process smooth and stress-free. First things first, you'll want to back up your files and databases. It's essentially like packing up your house before moving. This ensures that if anything goes wrong during the migration, you'll have a copy of everything important to fall back on. Start by logging into your current web host's control panel. Search for the backup option that's available. You might find this under something like File Manager or Backup Wizard. Once you're there, download your website's files and databases. Make sure you save these backups to a secure location on your computer or external hard drive. These files are crucial because they contain all your website's data, from images to code, so handle them with care. Next, we move those files over to your new Hostinger account. It's like unpacking your boxes in your new home. Start by logging into your newly created Hostinger account. If you haven't set one up yet, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward. Once inside, navigate to the hosting menu and locate the Manage button. Click on this and then head over to the File Manager. You're going to upload the backup files you just downloaded onto your new hosting space. You can do this by dragging and dropping the files or using the upload option provided. For your databases, you'll need to access the database section within Hostinger, usually found under a menu like Databases or MySQL Databases. Create a new database and import your saved database file. This might take a little time depending on the size of your database, so be patient during this phase. With your files and databases safely housed at Hostinger, the next step is updating your domain DNS records. Only if necessary. This is like updating your address with the post office so everyone knows where to find you. Log into the platform where you registered your domain name. It could be a separate domain registrar or part of your old hosting service. Look for the DNS settings or domain manager and update the DNS records to point to Hostinger's servers. Hostinger typically provides their DNS details within your account dashboard, so you can easily copy them from there. It might take a few hours for these changes to propagate across the internet, but once completed, your website will be live on its new hosting home. And there you have it, a complete website migration to Hostinger. Remember, taking these steps methodically will save you headaches later on. Do ensure everything is working smoothly after the migration by accessing your site and checking that all features are operational. If any issues arise, Hostinger's support is there to help. Thanks for watching, and happy migrating!